Welcome to this video. Now we can start to create an exterior for this reference model. Go to Architecture Template. Click on the component and select to make a component. And then select Generic Model and click OK. Now we can see the Create and Insert tab. Click on Extrusion tool. Now we can set a working plane and pick a new plane. Set a work plane. Pick a new plane. Select the plane to draw extrusion of exterior. After select the plane, show the plane is select or not. This view tool is used to see the objects in separate window. We close this window, we are not working on it. Now we use Extrusion tool to draw an extrusion on the selected reference plane. I will show the reference image on the corner. It's helpful to create a model. Select the Line tool to draw an extrusion. First we draw sun shade walls of this window. After that copy it easily. Adjust the window frame lines. It will helpful to make design looks good. Copy the frame lines of this window. Paste it on all the window. It helpful to make design faster. Then, click to finish extrusion. To click on green tick once. Don't click twice on green tick. Now we use New Sweep tool. It generates continuous design. First of all, we give a continuous path to make a design. Now we can see the red dot on the sketched line. It's a profile of the sweep. Carefully observe, I will sketch the path. It's a single continuous line. Now I will edit the profile. I am select the level view and edit the profile of the section. I will show the another reference image to draw profile. Carefully draw the profile. It must be a closed single loop. After complete the closed loop, click on the green tick. Then we see the sweep, extrusion on the profile. Now we can start to do another extrusion. I will draw the front elevation according the reference figure. Carefully observe what I do. Now I am start to draw a logo. But we must remember, extrusion will be done in a closed loop. So, I cut the edges to make a closed loop. Extrusion will done in a closed loop. After creating logo, change the extrusion size. If you enter negative value, the extrusion go beyond. Enter positive value, the extrusion come in front. After create extrusion, change category of the material. I am choosing concrete. There we can observe. The sweep extrusion is above the logo. So, I change the sweep extrusion. Now I am press up arrow to move the extrusion. Now I am creating remaining elements. Once we check how it's going. Okay. Now we create some more extrusions. Now I am draw extrusion of front-end balcony elevation. First, I am draw one rectangle and then copy it in multiple times. After create an extrusion in a single floor. Then copy and paste in remaining all the floors. After pasting, adjust the extrusions. Sweep is missing there. So I want to re-edit it. Click on Edit Sweep. Then now extend the joints. Then now finish it. Now I want to change work plane. To edit the side elevation, I make some tilt angle, and select Set a plane, and pick a plane. Select a new plane. Check if the plane is properly selected or not. Now I draw the extrusion for those windows. Now copy this window frame from one place to another by using Copy tool. Now select all the window frames and move to that beside windows. After that, change the extrusion size. Now I select the new extrusion to create an extrusion. Now, set a plane and pick a plane. You can clearly understand this set A and pick a plane concept. You can easily make any extrusion. Now I can make another extrusion. Can you observe this in this reference image? First I do the framework of this extrusion. Take the rectangular line tool to draw the framework of this extrusion. After that, change the size of extrusion. And also adjust the shape. Now create another extrusion and set a plane and pick a plane. Select a plane. Click on Show to show the plane. Now I can draw another extrusion on that framework. Carefully observe what I do. I created a small extrusion and after that copy that to an entire framework by using the reference image. After finish that extrusion, change the size of that extrusion. Now create a new extrusion for creating a parapet wall. Set a plane and pick a plane. Show the viewer of the plane by using the View tool. Create a parapet wall by using Extrusion command. Now I create a design on the parapet wall by using Extrusion. Follow that reference image to create extrusion. Once create the extrusion of a single group, then copy and paste it on required place. If there are any minors, changes adjusted. Now we create a group to that 4 window frames and named as frames. Now create the exterior to the other side of the model. Again do set a plane and pick a plane. Select the view to work on that plane. After that we can use that group we created. The group is saved at the project browser. Now we can access that group easily. Now we can drag the group into that model and place down at your recommendation. Now we can see pasted window frame is parallel to that created model of that window frame. That is clearly visible on this level 0. Now I change the orientation of that pasted group of framework. Now move according to your recommendation. And it is easy access to group copy and paste. Now we can clearly observe it can decrease the process of your work. And I can copy the center frame and paste them opposite side also. After copy easy to move that framework. Now copy the window frame of front to back. After pasting the window frames and adjust it. Press WT to see the 2 windows in a single screen. Now I want to create a parapet wall for that remaining 2 sides. Now I create the extension of the parapet wall. Draw the boundary of the parapet wall. Pick a new work plane. Now create another extrusion for the parapet wall, to complete the boundary of the parapet walls of the building. Now I capture this is pasted in double time, so I deleted it. Once I check all the sides, if I make any mistakes. Now it okay. Now I create the site boundary and entry gate of the building. Now I created the site boundary. Change the extrusion size. Now I want to create a front elevation. Carefully observe what I do. Now I created the compound wall of this building model. Now I create an entry gate of this building. Now I drawn the boundary of the entry gate. Now I create a designs in this gate. Copy the design to make a parallel design. After creating the wall, changes the material type into steel. After complete the gate model, change the extrusion size and type of material. Thank you. This is the final model. After rendering and landscaping of that model, it's look like this. Thank you for watching this video.